If you want to dial into a Zoom meeting over the telephone, you can use the international dial-in numbers. Here are the ones for Australia here. I'll include a link in the description to this video. To save you looking them up in the future, the host can include your country when scheduling a meeting. And you can do this if you are working with particular countries regularly. When you schedule a meeting, you can specify which countries' dial-in numbers you want included in the invitation. So let's add a couple of countries here. I'm going to select Australia and let's say the UK. Now when I save that invitation, those countries' dial-in numbers are included in the invitation. Copy the invitation. This is the long form invitation, and you can see that that includes Australia and the UK dial-in numbers here. You can also see the international numbers on your Zoom profile if you go to settings and then telephone. And this will determine whether you want to include the international numbers on the invitation email. You can see all numbers here for all the different countries.